So hello everyone, let's look at this particular set which I had given, and most of you had done this, and it is only basic calculations that are here. You just need to understand the columns that are given and how to do quick calculations. That's all that is required, right? So just for better understanding, I'll be a little slow. And how do we go across such a question? We'll just try and figure that out as quickly as possible. So if you look at this particular first question, see there are different columns like less than one car. So less than one car means 0 cars. So there Delhi mein you can say there are 5 persons who have less than one car. With the how many people he has surveyed, that depends, right? So in Bangalore there 9 persons were surveyed who had no cars with them and so on. Less than 3 cars. So you could have just, for some clarity, suppose you needed some clarity, you could have thought like this: less than 1 car would have been 0, less than 3 cars would have been 0, 1, 2. So the number of people with 0 or 1 or 2 cars in New Delhi is 11, like that. Less than 7 cars, so it is 0, 1, 2 up to 6, right? That is less than 7 cars. More than 2 cars is 3, 4, 5 and so on. That could be 10, 11, 12, anything. More than 4 is 5, 6, 7 and so on, right? So if I have to figure out some data, I have to basically try and add and subtract the columns, right? So let's look at the very first question. So it says the number of persons having at least 8 cars in Kolkata is 0. So at least 8, where will we get that? It is 8 plus, right? So 8, 9, 10 and so on. This number figure out in Calcutta is 0. So Calcutta, if you see, the number of people with more than 4 cars is 14, right? So I'm saying 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. This value was 14 altogether, but more than 8, this value becomes 0. So the number of people with 5 cars or 6 cars or 7 cars in Calcutta is 14, right? So 5 or 6 or 7 cars is 14. I hope you're understanding this. So it says then find the number of persons in Calcutta having exactly 7 cars. We need to find out only for exact 7 cars. So I need to figure out how many of them have 5 or 6 cars. So 5 and 6 cars, I can say it is a part of either this column, right, or it is a part of the last column, or it is a part of the third column. So if you look at the third column, ideally, because there is more data of this column, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? If I try and figure out the data of 5 and 6 from here, I can substitute here and we can obviously get the answer, right? Or from 14, if I subtract the data of the number of cars, people who have 5 or 6 cars, we can obviously get the data of who have exactly 7 cars, right? Now this entire data, 0 cars or 1 up to 6 cars for Kolkata, that is 47. So this amounts to how much? 47. Out of that, I can guarantee that 0, 1 or 2 cars in Kolkata, if you see, this is 31. 0, 1 or 2 cars is 31. We will figure out 3 and 4. So whatever will be left with 5 is 6. So 3 and 4, how I can find out? If you look at this, the second last column, which has 3 cars or 4 cars or 5 cars or 6 cars and so on, and if you look at the last column, 5 cars or 6 cars or 7 cars and so on. So from this data, if I basically subtract the last data, then what will happen? 5, 6, 7 and so on will get cancelled. So this entire data would get cancelled, right? I'll be left with only 3 and 4. So if I only subtract this two data, for Kolkata it is 21 and 14. So if I subtract this two data, this gap, which is equal to how much? 7. This 7 people are such who have either 3 cars or 4 cars. So I could have said this is 7. So out of 47 who have 0 or 1 or 2 or so and so on up to 6, 38 have at the most 4 cars, right? So if I have to figure out for 5 and 6, this has to become From 47 you minus this for 38, so which is 9. So 9 people are having 5 cars or 6 cars, and exactly this 9 people out here, if I substitute or if I subtract from 14, so the remaining persons will have how many cars? Exactly 7 cars. So this answer is 5. Right? So this is just for understanding. I've been very slow. Right? Other than that, in such questions, because you have to go across columns, try and add and subtract, right? So since this data was only for Calcutta, what I did was I took step by step of calculations. Like if I have to think about question number 2, I'll not do it this way. Indeed, we'll just name the columns quickly and try and answer. But before that, if what I've always done in such kind of questions is scanned down, checked which questions I would attempt it first, which was easier for me to attempt, wherein calculations would have been less or something, right? So for question number 2, I had to verify all the 4 options. Question number 3, suppose I have to go about question number 3. So what would happen in that question number 3, it says find a total of persons surveyed by Mr. X for all cities. Again, looks to be very calculative because I have to calculate for every city possible, right? So I'll only try and look out. I have to do what? I have to find out across cities 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, right? So I'll just check if it is possible with 1 or 2 columns. That's good. If I have to do a lot of calculations, say column to column addition and subtraction, then maybe I would think of looking at the other question also, right? So if we see this, so if you look at question number 3, how we could have directly calculated is, if I just look at less than 3 cars, which says less than 3 means 0, 1 and 2, and more than 2 cars, right? So this is 0, 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? So if I just add this data, it means I'll be able to find out the total number of persons surveyed in Delhi, right? Because 11 says they have less than 3 cars, right? So they have either 0 or 1 or 2, and 28 says they have more than 2 cars, so they have either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or so on, right? So I just need to add this data out here as well as this data table out here. So if I add these 2 columns, I'll definitely get the answer for question number 3, right? So if you are adding the less than 3 cars wala column here, this is 125 and this is 185, so add the both, you get 310. Obviously there is an option error out here, the answer should have been 310, right? And another question was question number 5, which was direct again, although it talks about across all cities exactly 1 car. So if you see, if I subtract any column, this is 0 cars, so from this column if I subtract this, I'll be left with 1 and 2 cars, and no other data would give me exactly 1 car, right? There's no other way. So basically the answer for this would have been cannot be determined. So now coming to question number 2, let's see what the question talks and how quickly we could have determined that. So it says in which city the number of persons having more than 4 cars and less than 7 cars is least. Just for better understanding, what I'll do, say this is 0, this is 0, 1, 2, this is 0 to 6, right? This is 3 plus and this is 5 plus, right? Now what I would say, I'll just name these columns A, B, C, D and E, and I'll just generate a formula kind using this A, B, C, D, which is applicable for all. So like, because I have to find more than 4 cars, so it is 5, and less than 7, which is 6, right? So 5 and 6 are the only 2 numbers that we require, which we can get from column C. So from column C, which says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, I have to take out this 5, 6, so I have to subtract 0, 1, 2, which is B. So I'll say from column C I need to subtract a B, right? And I also have to subtract 3 and 4. So how do I get a 3 and 4? From the second last column, which is 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If I subtract 5, 6 and so on, I'll be left with 3, 4, right? So D minus E, that is what I require, right? So I'll subtract a D minus E, because if I do a D minus E, I'll get the value of 3, 4. So 3, 4 if I'm subtracting, so just imagine C is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? What is B? It is 0, 1, 2. That is something that we are subtracting. And what is D minus E? 3, 4. So I'm left with only 5, 6, right? So quickly we could have done this for the 4 cities out here. So Mumbai, it is C is a 39 minus a B, which is a 22, that becomes a 17, and from the 17 we are subtracting a 16, so the answer would have been 1. I hope you're getting that, right? Likewise for Bangalore, you know, see 47, from this 47 I have to subtract a 21, which will give me a 26, and from 26 we subtract the difference, that is 14, right? So which will give me a difference, sorry, which is 24. So that gap would have been how much? 26 minus 24 is 2. For likewise for Chandigarh, if you can do 51 minus 19, so I'm doing a C minus D minus E, right? So 51 minus 19 and the gap here, that is 16, right? So 51 minus 19 minus 16, which becomes a 16. And for the same thing for Kolkata will come out to be 9. So where is it minimum? It is minimum for Mumbai. So the answer is Mumbai, right? And the same idea can be used to find out for question number 4, when it says, you know, how many cities the number of persons having at least one car is lesser than the number of persons having at least one car in New Delhi. So at least one car means what? Minimum one car, right? So what are we trying to do? We only have to from the total number of persons we only have to subtract. So how we were calculating one or more cars? 0, 1, 2. So for this particular question, if I say 0, 1, 2 wala column and 3, 4 and above, so this was column B and this is column D. If I add, I'll get 0 cars or 1 car or 2 car or so and so on up to how many ever cars, right? But I need to talk about at least one, so I'll have to subtract the 0 cars. So I'll subtract the first column, that is B plus D minus A. So this is exactly what we have to do for each and every city and compare with New Delhi. So B plus D minus A, remember this, I am just removing right? So this is A, B, C, D, and I have to find out B plus D minus A, and that has to be done for each and every city, right? So for New Delhi it is 11 plus 28, which is a 39, minus 5, which is 34, right? So likewise you could have done for each and every column out here. So once you drive this formula, you don't have to think much as to what are we doing. You already know that what you're doing is correct, right? So for Bangalore, you can simply do the calculations out here. This is 46. For Mumbai 50. Kolkata it is 39. For Chandigarh it is 49. And for Hyderabad it is a 47, right? So that's how you can have done the calculation. So it says for how many cities it is lesser than in New Delhi? None of the cities, obviously. So the answer is